Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are using Squarespace and want to choose which page loads first when visitors open your site in 2026, here is the key thing to know. In Squarespace, the home page is controlled from the Pages panel, not from page settings. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to set a page as the home page in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, safely, and like a pro. So first thing first, open the Pages panel. So log into Squarespace, open your website, go to Home, then Websites, then Pages. This is where Home Page Control lives. So locate the Home section. So at the top of the Pages panel, you will see Home. Okay. So this represents your current home page. Okay, so only one page can live here, so set an existing page as the home page. To make a page your home page, click and hold the page you want to drag it into the home position. Okay, so release it. After that page is now your home page. Changes apply instantly. Okay, so no save button needed, no nothing. So if you want a brand new home page, drag any page out of home, click plus in the Pages panel, create a new page, and drag the new page into home. So old home page becomes a regular page. New page is now the home page. So this is perfect for redesigns. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.